wish I had time to bake for her. How can I make this store-bought cake look homemade and intentional? I have only 15 minutes.
Chop some fresh berries. Remove the ganache toppings that make it look professionally made. Add these berries artistically and arrange them on the top. Roughen up the edges and gently press cookie crumbs onto the base. Voila, your cake looks hand-frosted.